Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or display custom product title and custom product description for social platform like Facebook, X, Instagram in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to modify our product title and description for social platforms. So this is our product title and this is our product description that show when we share link. So we are going to change it. So first you will install Yoast SEO plugin. So I already installed this plugin, and after installation and activation go to product page and then you see edit product. So open it. So we are going to modify product title and description for social platform, and if you want you can add image. Now edit product open and scroll down, you see Yoast SEO and then you see multiple tab and then you see social tab. So click on it and then you see social media appearance. Determine how your post should look on social media. You see platforms mention and then scroll down. So you can add your image, social image. Now select. So it's up to you. Now select and then you see social title and description. So you can modify this according to your requirement. Now you see we edit title ceramic mug with WebTaskWithHassan. So we modify social title and then you see social description, we modify it and then click on update product. So click on it. Now product is updated. Go to product page, refresh the page. If you are using any cache plugin, then remove website cache, then you see purge SG cache. So click on it. Now copy this link and go to social media platform. So you can share your product link on any social media platform. Now paste and then you see custom product title ceramic mug WebTaskWithHassan and then you see description. So you can add product title and description according to your requirement and then you see image. Now back to product. So we are in social tab and then you see social title description for social media platform. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.